So guys, good evening sa inyong lahat. Mag-update lang tayo sa ating life dito sa Philippines. So, Happy New Year everybody. Naging busy yung life natin during Christmas holidays and New Year. So, we are very grateful. Magpasalamat po muna tayo sa Panginoon for everything na naging okay ang Christmas and New Year natin. So, ang life namin dito guys sa Pilipinas, mag-update tayo for the 2024. Summary ng 2024 natin. It had been so good sa atin ang year 2024. So, we are looking forward sa 2025 na nag-aas tayo sa Panginoon na magiging much better pa siya. So, sa 2024. Ayan, ang story ng life namin for the update is okay naman. Ang store namin okay naman. Life namin ni Daddy okay naman. And then, beginning of year 2025, binuksan namin guys ang 2025, nag-travel kami. This is the place that we never explore. Malapit lang siya dito. Total siguro mga 2 hours and a half lang. But it's on a different island. Dinala na nag-rent ako ng sasakyan. Or nag-rent kami ng sasakyan. And then, nag-go across kami to another island. Umalis kami ng umaga, umalik kami ng gabi. So, ganun lang, kabilis. And see friends doon. Yun lang. But anyway, me and Dad nag-start na kami ng year in 2025, the year of traveling, para magiging achieve na natin goal natin in staying here in the Philippines. So, may video ko na i-share sa inyo. I think isa is from the New Year, na sana mag-enjoy kayo ng New Year natin na clips, you know. Ang New Year namin is very quiet. Kami lang ni Daddy at saka yung mga help namin sa loob ng bahay. So yun lang, 2 of them decided to stay with us for the New Year. Tapos nag-agree naman kami. So, hindi kami nag-i-expect na may kasama kami sa bahay for the New Year, for the reason na gusto namin lahat sila mag-spend time sa family nila. So, before that, nagbanding na kami lahat, family and all. Pero dito may ano kami sa Philippines, may tradition tayo dito na New Year mag-spend time sa bahay natin or sa family nila. Majority of the people that we know nag-i-spend time sa bahay nila. Kami ni Dad willing na kami na magstay sa bahay na kami lang, para we'll give everybody a chance to go home and spend time with their family. So ayan, ibigay ko sa inyo yung clips natin sa New Year. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. But update for the life dito sa Pilipinas, okay naman guys, nakapag-travel na kami at saka marami tayong mga ganap na gagawin. Pero early this year, in the early on of this 2025, mag-travel ulit kami ni Daddy sa Australia. So, ayan, bantayan nyo na lang yan guys, mag-vlog ulit tayo doon. So for now, we're gonna give you our New Year video clips para sa inyo at nag-enjoy kami sa New Year. So welcome 2025 and wishing you all the best New Year guys sa inyo lahat. So, here is the video and thank you so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share it to your family and friends. Salamat! At the back, oh my God, so many. Ayan na. Ayun guys. Ang ingay. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Happy New Year. Uy, kagahod guys. Wow. Woo! Happy New Year. Wow. Alala. Ayan, nakadamo. Oh my God. Parala, pidaya si siya oh. Happy New Year guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year Sis Delpa! Happy New Year! Uy, kahod ba? Wow! Wow! Wow, Daddy, look! Wow! Everywhere. Yeah, that's nice. Over there. Woo! Very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. Nawitin mo. That's nice! Wow! Happy New Year! Wow! Oh, nice! Pasunod sila. Daddy, they're texting each other. These people. My turn.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.